it in my mobile.
Yeah, I do at mobile.
But my email is not available.
Okay, you have not created your account. That's why it's saying that email doesn't exist or something like that. Yes, yes.
Teacher,
I do at mobile.
Please, someone, only one of you speak because I'm like, it's creating a confusion.
Teacher, this one, like, I do.
Sorry? It's saying you're restricted, right? It's saying that you have to get your parents'
No,
approval.
not. I already created account at mobile.
Show me. It's working?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, okay, great then. Okay. Yes, like
Hello, ma'am.
yes, Manasvi, tell me. Oh, wait, Riddhi once. Yes, ma'am. Tell me. Riddhi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, can I have permission to share my screen? My some
Okay.
issue is there.
Uh,
Not about email.
what issue?
Not about email, ma'am.
What issue? What issue?
About the circuits.
Circuit.
Can I
Okay,
share my
I
screen?
will like solve it next class. Okay, see, only 3 minutes is left. Okay, you can share it next class. Try it yourself. Take a picture of this one. Okay, this is the perfect circuit. Take a
I have
picture.
take, ma'am.
Take a picture
Ma'am,
of yes, yes.
लास्ट टू सर्किट जो अभी लास्ट टू सर्किट हमने बताया ना,
हाँ.
उसका मैंने लैपटॉप में ही ट्राई किया बट वो हुआ नहीं.
अच्छा ठीक है. आप लाइक परफेक्टली आपको करना पड़ेगा. आपका वायर्स वगैरह थोड़ा सा भी इधर उधर होने से नहीं होता. ठीक है, मैं आप एक काम कीजिए, आप तीनों का फोटो खींच के रखिए. आप नेक्स्ट क्लास दिखाइए.
मैंने रखा है. आई हैव टेकन स्क्रीनशॉट.
नहीं, आपका जो आपने बनाया है उसका स्क्रीनशॉट के बारे में बोल रही हूँ मैं. तो आप नेक्स्ट क्लास दिखाइएगा. ठीक है, अभी टाइम नहीं है. यस मानसवी, टेल मी.
Hello.
Yes, tell me.
You said that we can take a screenshot and we can.
Yes, you can take a screenshot and you can send it in your like.
I don't know.
Sorry.
How I don't know.
Okay, you can take a photo or a screenshot. There's this a chat option in Tinkercad. You know that, right? Sorry, in Zoom. You know that, right?
Yes.
Okay, you have to send your photo there in the Zoom. Okay.
Okay.
Arnav, my bulb is lighting. You can see. Wait, I will show you. See? See? Can you see it? Yes, Piyush, I can see yours. You have done something else, right? Yes, yes, I can see it. Okay, you have made many. You have to add a switch as well. Okay, you have added. Okay, great, Piyush, great. But it is not happening. I guess you're doing the connections little wrong. So take a picture, try it again. Okay, this is the like connection. Take a picture. You have to connect the push button here, the diode here, and the bulb. Like you have to make the connection like this. Sorry. Any more doubt? Yes, Farhan. Yes, Farhan. Yes, I know. Your sir gave you an account, I know. But the problem is that I don't have access to that thing right now. Okay, we have to create a new account there and it will take a long time. That's why I'm not doing with that. I have to talk with the other sir as well, who is working right now, like taking 6 C&D class. I have to talk to him and then we can proceed with it. Okay. I know Rudra, I know your sir has created a classroom kind of thing. So I have to like do that. I have to talk to the other sir and then I have to like see. Yes, Anushka.
Teacher, my circuit is not working.
There's some issue with the connections. That's why it's not working. Take a picture of this one and then you can try it at like after this class, because the class has almost end. Like it's 10:01. So,
Teacher, that's all that I don't do it in circuit.
sorry?
Teacher, that things on.
You're not clear, Anushka. I'm not getting you.
Teacher, can I talk in Marathi?
Oh, I don't know Marathi. Sorry, Anushka. You can talk in Hindi.
Yes, teacher. टीचर वो फुल मैजिक ऐप पे वो ये आया था ना.
Or else you do one thing. You can talk in Marathi with your teacher.